Hello everyone, how are you? Now let's play a game. Just stop wherever you are and name the things that you can see around you. Yes, starting from tree, water, animal, rock, and there are certain invisible things as well, like the air. Do you know these things are made up of what? These things are made up of warm matter. So in this class, we will explore more about matter and its states. So by the end of this class, we will get to understand how matter really matters. So now you must be confused how to define a matter. According to science, anything that has mass and occupies some space is called a matter. So you must be aware of the term weight. Weight means the how heavy is something. Like this, when I'm holding this bottle, I can feel it is very heavy. So it means I'm talking about its weight. Now we will talk about volume. Volume means the space occupied by an object. Now you see this ball is filled with water and this is occupying the space of this bowl. So this is called the volume. But different things, they fill the volume in different ways depending upon its states. Now we will discuss about different states of matter. They are solid state, liquid state and gas. So here you see I have some rocks, some ice cubes, book, even the chalk. Literally everything we see around us is a matter. And now we are going to discuss about the solid states of the matter. So these are this rock, book, sugar cubes. These are matter because they have weight. When I'm holding these rocks in my hand, I can feel its weight. You also can try and you can see this bowl is filled with sugar and it is occupying some of the space. So it is a matter. But you can see it is not very easy to separate the solid. Why? Because of the arrangement of molecules in them. The simpler part of the matter is called molecule. When the molecules are arranged very tightly, it is very different to separate them. So you can see the arrangement of molecules in the solid state. It is arranged very tightly and that's why we cannot separate them easily. So that's why only a solid, it has a definite shape and have definite volume. Now let's discuss about the liquid state. Can you give some of the examples of liquid? Yes, water, milk, oil, these are the some of liquid. So do you know liquid is also a matter? It has weight. When we fill the water with bottle with water, you can check it is very heavy. But when we drink the water from the bottle and it is emptified, you can see that you can feel it has become lighter. So we got to know that water has weight and it occupies some space. See, when we pour the water in a bowl, it occupies it became the shape of a bowl, and when you pour it into a glass, it takes the shape of a glass. Why so? Because the arrangement of molecules in liquid are loose, so that's why they flow a little and they take the shape of the container in whatever we pour it. So we get to know that it has weight and it occupies some space. So it is also a matter. But one thing is it has definite volume but doesn't have any definite shape because the molecules are arranged very loosely. Now we will come to the gaseous state. Gas is a state of matter. So let's see how we can see that the gas also has weight. Here I have taken two balloons and have tied them in a stick. In one end I have a flat balloon and in another end I have a balloon which is filled with air. And you can see when I'm then hanging them, the end which a balloon filled in air it has been tilted because of the weight. That it shows that the air or the gas, it also has weight. Now let's see whether the gas occupies space. See, this is an empty glass. You may say that it is an empty glass, but this glass is filled with air. It is very obvious. So when I will put this glass upside down in a bowl, you can see the level of water outside the glass is more than the level of water inside the glass, because air was present in the glass and it has been trapped and it is not allowing the water to get into it. And when we slightly tilt the glass, you can see the water bubbles, which shows that the air also occupies some space. And that's why it is a matter. But the air flows very easily. Why? Because in the arrangement of molecule in air is very loose, and that's why it flows very easily and it doesn't have a definite shape or definite volume. So we understood what is matter. We discussed about different states of matter, and we understood that matter really matters. And in our next class, we will discuss about change in states of matters. Till then, bye. Thank you.